Hi, and welcome. My name is Michael Pesci, and I'm one of the club organizers and leaders for the Seminole High School Aquaponics Club. And in this video, I'd like to show you what we try to illustrate to our students who come every single week to learn about aquaponics. Now, if you're new to aquaponics is growing vegetables through the use of fish waste. And over time, that fish waste converts into nutrients that the plants can use to grow, therefore cleaning the water and recirculating it back to the fish with clean water. When we do that, we create a place to grow vegetables and a place to harvest fish. And we wanted to show how a siphon works because that's the type of system we have. As you see in the video, you got this dark, let's call it the dark hole. And water is going down into this standpipe into our system where the fish live. Now we use koi fish and some tetras because they produce high levels of nitrates, which is the good bacteria, and low levels of nitrites, which is the bad bacteria, and ammonia, bad bacteria. Now what you'll see in this video is as this water starts to flow, an air pocket is being created inside the glass. And it's going to start to flow faster and faster and faster. And as this dark hole with the water starts to get closer and closer to touching, it's going to create that air pocket to start sucking all the water out of the system. Now it's important that we suck this water out of the system so that it gets recirculated back into the fish tank, but for more important reasons, we don't want the water just sitting where the plants are because we need to circulate that water so that the fish are getting access to the clean water after the plants consume the nitrates. Now, it's getting really close to getting ready to siphon, and I wanted you just to sit back and see how a siphon works by using one of these chemistry flasks. Let's watch it. It's about to happen, and it's a really cool thing. We're almost there. And we've commenced full siphon. Now we've created that air pocket, so the water's going to start to come up through the bottom of that glass container and get sucked right out. This is 100% automated. The only thing we have that costs us money is to run the actual pump into our biofilter, which you can see above there. It's filtering out the fish waste and getting poured into the aquaponics system where the plants will eventually grow with clay pebbles. Now when we siphon, we create this vacuum of water that gets pushed back into the standpipe that you see through that glass. Gets put back into the system. It helps oxygenate the plant roots, which help the plants grow. And you can just see how that air pocket is creating that automatic flow. Now if you look to the bottom part of this video, towards the left, you'll start to see water getting sucked. You can see a little trail as it gets lower and lower of dirt that's going to start to get sucked through that little hole down there. There it goes. You can see it happening already. Once the water gets to a certain point, it's going to start to draw air back into the siphon, which is going to help break it and stop it. And then the process starts all over again. So that's how a siphon works. If you like this video, subscribe so you can get more videos as we develop them. And thanks for watching.